Hi, everyone, and welcome to the 13.9 milestone kickoff for the monitor stage. My name is Sarah Waldner, and I'm the senior product of the monitor team. In 13.9, we've got two. So our first priority is going to be adding array support for our new custom mapping feature we just added to the suite of integrations available for alerting sources and GitLab. And then the second priority for 13.9 is going to be a series of improvements that we're making and the incident management experience as a whole. So adding array support for alert custom mappings. Custom mappings enable users to integrate any alerting source that they have with GitLab. The feature set as a whole is based on the user providing a sample payload, which they submit, parse, and then there's a GUI available so that you can map fields from that external alert to the GitLab alert format, allowing you to build the integration into GitLab itself. So for that feature set, we need to add further improvements so that we can support all of the different ways that an alert payload can be formatted. Alert support for alert custom mappings addresses the different formats for nested attributes in a single array, and nested attributes for a single attribute that has multiple arrays of values. Moving into the improvements we intend to make for incidents, this one's pretty straightforward. We need to enable users to create incidents via API. So we're going to do this by adding an issue type attribute to the issue creation endpoint. Next one is something that we've heard from a lot of users. We've been gaining significant usage on the incident management category, and people need the ability to change the type of an issue. So whether you've created an issue and you meant for it to be an incident, something a team needs to respond to, or someone on your team created an incident by accident, we're going to add the ability for you to convert that record into a different type. So that functionality is going to be included within the edit icon on an issue or an incident. Today, when you click that, you get the ability to access and edit the description, and we'll be providing the drop down so you can select a different type as well as the template selector. The next improvement for incidents is simple, but meant to help solve the problem we just discussed, which was when you create a type of issue and you meant to create a different type. We're adding some clarification when someone selects the incident type in the selector so that it's really clear what they're creating. So now when someone selects incident, they get this pop-up that gives a definition of how GitLab defines what incidents are and links to documentation. Furthermore, we're going to be restricting permissions on the individuals who are allowed to select incident in the issue type selector dropdown and just create incidents in general. When we first released this feature set, we did it for reporters and everyone above that, and we're going to restrict it to developers and up to help to reduce the number of mistakes that we are seeing our users make and gather feedback on that experience. And last but not least, backed by popular demand is the milestone feature. On issues, there is a feature in the sidebar which allows you to select a milestone for scheduling that issue. Previously, it was assumed that that feature was not applicable to incidents, and we're finding that that is not the case. Many response teams want the ability to indicate what time frame in which an incident happened, or for lower severity incidents, the ability to schedule things out. So we'll be adding that back to incidents in 13.9. Thank you.